make upan di mobil. Sebenarnya aku juga udah nyatok, cuman aku nyatoknya agak beda. Aku nyatoknya masuk, terus nggak tahu kenapa ya. Aku kalau nyatok masuk tuh gampang banget lost. Jadi kayak ya udah sekarang lurus aja gitu. Aku nggak tahu karena ini aku mens atau karena kemarin aku yoga pakai makeup. Jujur menurut aku karena yoga pakai makeup. Aku suka banget sama formula Skintific yang pink ini karena dia lebih glowy daripada yang biasa aku pakai. Udah semoga ini rata ya Allah. Udah lama banget aku nggak pakai makeup langsung pakai tangan gini, kecuali kalau kayak pakai blush atau highlight. Dikat. Alisnya aku pakai biasa dari Instaperfect. Aku benci banget jerawat di sini. Yang bilang matcha tuh nggak bagus buat perempuan. Kenapa ya deh? Aku lupa, aku nggak baca. Aku cuma bilang, aku cuma lihat ya udah matcha nggak bagus buat perempuan. Tapi oh iya. Kamu udah baca tapi?
Belum.
Ya pas itu mama aku kirimin, terus habis itu aku kayak cuma ya udah aja, aku ya udah matcha nggak bagus buat perempuan, tapi nggak aku klik karena aku takut.
Tapi ini masih minum.
Ya makanya aku nggak mau tahu. Rare Beauty. Tapi ini nggak biasa, bukan yang biasa aku pakai. Biasanya yang aku pakai tuh lebih pink ngejreng. Kebanyakan. Tapi sumpah aku suka banget sih sama kayak formula Rare Beauty. Beauty baking powder, Huda Beauty baking powder, pound cake. Aku nggak mau lama-lama.
Buat apa ya?
Biar makeupnya lebih tahan lama. Natural gitu, ini sempat patah. Oh my god. Lebih baby pink. Tapi nggak baby pink sih, ini pink banget nih ya. Aku suka pakainya agak kayak buat nge-brown sedikit karena warnanya tuh agak coklat. Jadi aku sukanya pakai ini di ujung-ujung pipi ini biar lebih ada warnanya aja. And then buat highlighter seperti biasa aku selalu pakai yang ini dari Dior.
Ada yang komen gitu.
Ih bagus banget, lihat Ren. Lihat gak? Kayak aku mau pakai ini dari Laneige. Ini yang Glaze Craze Tinted Lip Serum. I posted a video of this on TikTok and a lot of people liked it too. Kayak I really like it. Tapi pigmentnya tuh nggak terlalu kelihatan, cuman kayak aku suka banget sama finishnya karena kayak finishnya tuh kayak yang basah gitu. Okay, that's it for my makeup. Now we're gonna go eat. Kamu jadi apa sih? Manusia terlabil sedunia. What are you ordering?
Fish sperm.
Ada. It melts in your mouth. Kamarnya gendut banget. Jujur ini makanannya enak banget tapi lama banget. Ya udah.
This is honestly one of my favorite spots in Jakarta. The ambience is just super cozy. Intinya bikin nyaman. And the fish is always very fresh. It never disappoints. Tapi sayangnya service-nya kali ini agak lama sih jujur. But honestly it didn't matter much cause Farhan and I were just chatting non-stop. So time slipped between our fingers.
We're now in Purasuan, kayaknya ramai banget karena kayak ada orang di luar. Kayak ramai banget deh Ran. Karena kayak sampai ada orang di luar. Ramai banget, kita kedapatannya cuma di
Kurasuan.
di mana ya?
Di
Bener-bener di sini.
Hampir selalu ke Kurasu setiap kali jalan bareng, and the matcha was so good today. My order is the signature matcha latte with oat milk, and we just continued our chats here. Abis itu kita jalan sama keluarga Farhan, and honestly, I was so happy and I truly had the best time. Alhamdulillah.
Please don't mind the mess karena aku habis syuting beberapa endorse banget karena aku baru buka paket-paket. Tapi hari ini I decided to vlog karena I think it's gonna be a really fun day. Bakal ke eventnya Rare Beauty dan eventnya menurut aku seru banget karena eventnya yoga dan aku emang lagi lumayan suka yoga ya. Jadi aku langsung kayak pas dapet kayak oh kakak mau datang gak, aku kayak langsung kayak yes aku mau banget datang. It's Rare Beauty, like I love Rare Beauty's blushes so much. You guys know how much I love Rare Beauty. It's for the launch of their new perfume juga dan aku udah gak sabar banget nyobainnya karena aku udah lihat beberapa video kayak orang luar nyobain parfumnya, so I can't wait to try it on myself. Jadi kayaknya bakal ada temen aku juga, but I'm not sure karena I think last night she told me dia lupa buat RSVP, but I hope she's able to come. I'm gonna meet you guys again pas aku udah selesai take beberapa video lagi. Okay guys, so I just finished getting ready for the event. Aku tadi gak ada waktu sama sekali buat ngevideoin makeup aku, jadi kayak yaudah, I did my hair, I did my makeup, and I'm gonna pick a yoga outfit. The dress code was like beige, white, and cream, so I think I'm gonna wear this Lulu jacket that my boyfriend gave me, and inside I'm gonna wear this Aloe sports bra, and aku nggak bisa milih bawahannya antara aku pakai yang ini cut, tapi kayak dia kurang matching kalau atasnya nggak pakai the matching set, and I don't want to wear the matching set because it's a little bit too revealing. So bawahannya ya udah kayak these normal leggings. I have no idea. I don't know whether I should go with this bag or this bag.
Exhale, slowly release. Kedua tangan di bawah. Your right foot back to your. Stay here. 3 and 1. Exhale.
Orang kemarin baru nyari tim pastry itu bukan pastry, tapi pastry
Here's the last and final day of the vlog. We're back in Curaçao, tapi kali ini yang di Menteng. Today we're having a bit of a family day cause Sunday is always for family days, and di sini kita cuma take away beberapa makanan dan minuman yang biasa kita bawa ke rumah Eyang, just usually whatever that my parents and my grandparents are craving. But today I bought some Curaçao and also fat duck. Terus aku juga beli bubur lawata karena kebetulan Eyang aku suka banget, dan rasa bubur itu tuh bener-bener nostalgic banget karena udah ada dari lama dan rasanya kayak jadul gitu. Jadi kalau dimakan bareng sama keluarga di hari Minggu tuh rasanya sangat-sangat hangat, and I was just so happy because we were just having small chats, catching up on some really good food that was just so nostalgic. And I just love doing this every Sunday. It's almost like a family tradition, and I love to keep it going.
Hey guys, so right now we're just chilling in my room. I'm so sorry kalau misalnya hari ini aku gak terlalu vlog lumayan banyak karena sebenarnya hari ini is just a really chill day. Like kita berangkat dari rumah kayak jam berapa tadi sih kita berangkat rumah ya? 3:10. Okay, we left the house like at 3, which is sore banget. Dan abis itu we just stopped by to get some food and also some Curaçao like you saw. And literally that's all we did today. And before that I've just been rotting in my bed editing videos karena aku kayak paling nyari waktu untuk ngelakuin pekerjaan di luar kuliah itu pas weekend, karena weekend paling banyak waktu luang kan, jadi kayak otomatis lebih banyak waktu juga buat ngelakuin hal-hal di luar kuliah seperti ini. Dan aku tuh paling suka kalau misalnya ngedit YouTube pas weekend karena kayak buat ngabisin waktu satu, dan kedua tuh ngedit YouTube tuh lumayan memakan waktu, dan yang paling makan waktu dibanding kalau misalnya aku edit kayak TikTok videos or reels. That's why I choose to do it on the weekend. I also shoot on weekends karena kalau misalnya udah hari-hari kuliah tuh udah kayak mumet dan gak bakal ada waktu, gak bakal ada headspace buat bikin ataupun ngedit video YouTube. So I choose to do it on the weekends. Like basically today is a very very chill day compared to the previous 2 days karena kayak 2 hari yang lalu tuh lumayan hektik. Yang masuk ke vlog tuh cuma yang santai-santai aja. Kalau misalnya hektik tuh aku udah nggak mungkin pegang kamera intinya, jadi kayak ya udah gitu. But it's really nice to have these days where you can just like chill, think about nothing, like relax, cause like on busy days these are the types of days that you will miss, you know. But yeah, I've been having so much fun lately and I love the weekend so much. Like I felt like I did so many productive things, so many fun things. It was all so balanced and I feel so like I feel so fulfilled, if that makes sense. But yeah, I've just been super happy recently, aside from the fact that I crashed my car. But after that, like I've been feeling super grateful, even for my brother who doesn't want to talk to me because he's in his puberty phase, so he decided to stop talking to me. That's why he
did not. No, I did not.
and he chose not to love me anymore because he's in his puberty phase, so he's been like ignoring me. He doesn't love me anymore. He doesn't tell me he loves me anymore.
She's lying.
Oh my god. Yeah, so to all of Yudi's friends watching this, please remind him that he has a sister as cool as me.
Coba mana?
Oh my god. Anyways, yeah, so I'll see you when we get back home or the next time I do something slightly interesting. Hey guys, aku udah di rumah lagi and I look kind of crazy because I'm wearing a sheet mask. Like, jujur aku selalu mencoba untuk nyempetin waktu untuk pakai sheet mask. The next morning your skin will just feel so nice and just so nourished. Makanya aku suka banget sih pakai sheet mask. Guys, ini kayak cuma bakal perlu aku nunggu 15-20 menit. Jujur ini sheet masknya agak kegedean, makanya kayak kelipet-lipet, but that's okay. Di beberapa TikTok aku tuh aku baru sadar kalau misalnya kayak orang-orang tuh pada nanyain buku-buku aku. Jadi yes, I do love reading. That's my bookshelf, dan di bawah situ tuh masih ada buku-buku lagi. Dan di bawah tuh sebenarnya ada beberapa buku-buku aku yang nggak muat di situ. Those are just some of my favorite books or the recent books I've read. Yang lama-lama tuh biasanya udah aku sortir juga. I honestly love all genres of books. I mainly love like psychological thriller, horror. I also love a good romance. I think some of my favorite books are like The Secret History by Donna Tartt, and then If We Were Villains. I love Bunny, tapi kayak aku juga suka kayak kalau misalnya aku habis baca psychological thriller, sometimes itu kayak bisa bikin aku ngerasa so like emotionally exhausted. Jadi biasanya abis aku baca psychological thriller, abis itu aku lanjut aku baca something lighter like romance or comedy. Jadi kayak aku biasanya aku selang-seling gitu. It's just a little tip so that you don't feel drained by reading books which have like negative energy. Abis baca yang berat-berat yang kayak horror atau kayak thriller, abis itu aku suka baca yang enteng-enteng kayak romance or comedy gitu. Jadi mood aku nggak ke bawah suram di dunia nyata. If you guys are wondering, this is the book I'm reading right now. It's Summer in the City. I love this book so much, tapi aku emang lagi agak lama baca bukunya karena oh my god, ini gila banget rambut aku. Karena jujur kuliah aku sama organisasi aku lagi lumayan sibuk, jadi nyari waktu untuk baca itu lumayan sulit. Apalagi kan baca tuh membutuhkan konsentrasi yang sangat tidak bisa terputuskan. Apalagi kayak capek gak sih kalau misalnya cuma bisa baca kayak 5 menit terus ngerjain sesuatu terus baca 5 menit lagi, kayak keputus-putus tuh gak enak. Jadi kayak aku kalau nyari waktu untuk baca tuh mau kayak oh ya udah aku sejam bisa ngebaca full gitu. Back to the book, I love it so much. It's so light and it's like enemies to lovers trope. And honestly, I feel like the story is so original because the main character centers around like a screenplay writer, which doesn't really happen often in romance novels, which I love
I love it when there's something fresh in a book, you know. I'm honestly loving this book so much because it's such a light read. It's such an easy read. Kayak sebenarnya kalau misalnya aku lagi luang aja, kayak aku bisa ngabisin ini dalam kayak 2-3 hari. Sebelum aku baca ini, kayaknya aku ngebaca Madonna in a Fur Coat. It's like it's romance, tapi menurut aku bacaannya lumayan berat dan endingnya sangat sedih. Jadi aku membutuhkan sesuatu yang then again light and fun, comedy, light, fun, and funny. This is like the perfect book for that. I don't know if you guys like it when I talk about books, cause I feel like kadang kalau misalnya aku ngobrolin tentang buku tuh kayak I go into the spiral, aku nonstop ngomongin buku dan jadi kayak nyebelin banget. Kayak pacar aku juga udah capek banget dengerin aku ngomongin tentang buku, apalagi dia gak suka baca buku kan. Jadi kayak jatuhnya aku ngomong sendiri dan agak
Thanks for watching.
Hi guys gitu.
Like and subscribe. Goodbye.